Okay, hello group. This is a quick update of the Franken 40 build. This is a stock K40 machine. And now the cable management is almost done. Power supply is secured. This space right here got 4 screws holding the power supply. And I can show you some routing that I did from the y-axis coming behind this inside the rail, and also this cable is the one from the control panel on the front that I'm going to be building a front plate for it. So continuing, he's coming this way. Jump this little cast corner right here and go up to there, and I put some mesh cable wrap on it, and then the other one goes up here and goes all the way inside that rail that holds also the tube all the way inside there where the drag chain is. So let's see, we have motion here, my hand obviously, and when I reach my limit, I have like maybe, I don't know, half an inch clearance. So when I put my covering here, the drag chain doesn't bother us at all. So that's the drag chain. Moving the X-axis stepper motor cable and the limit switch cable. It's not soldered yet. And here is the channel. Actually, it's an angle that I put up top here because I'm waiting for a smaller drag chain to put the air assist and also the cable for the laser pointer that I'm planning to put someplace around here. But wrapping up, the machine is almost done. As you can see, and also the water break is there. Cable is attached. Also the power supply, that's the main board of the stock K40 machine. And I cut this acrylic piece on the other K40 that is back there. And I just put that main board right there. And later on today, I'll be hooking up this AC outlet, inlet actually, in that position right there. And I have all this massive space back there. We were talking about maybe 8 inches by 12 inches tall by 1 meter long. And I'm planning to put the exhaust system in there with some sort of a fan that I don't know which one I'm going to choose there, but I hope that you like the build. It's done. The only thing left here is wrap it up, cover the whole thing, because it's very unsafe to operate this machine without any covers at all. But it's done. Project is working, and I keep you guys posted.